Hey Cowboys, I'm Priscilla, and today I'm here with this week's morning show. We hope you're all staying healthy and continuing to work hard on your distance learning classes. Cowboys, keep in mind, there are only a few weeks left in the semester, so now is the time to work hard and finish strong. Coming up on today's show, we have a fun challenge with some of our juniors and seniors as they compete to see who can guess the food correctly. We have a segment on some homemade snacks as well as some healthy alternatives for you during quarantine. And lastly, on today's show, we have more on what's headlining in Santa Clarita and what's going on. Today is Monday, May 11th, and Canyon News Network starts right now. Welcome back. As we approach the end of the school year, we are beginning to experience some of that hot summer weather. Due to this pandemic, some of our normal summer activities may be postponed. However, if we continue to social distance, there is promise for a fun summer. Here's Sami with more on this week's weather forecast.
Thanks, Priscilla. Last week's weather showed no mercy as it almost reached 100 degrees, but this week is cooling down slightly. Today will be partly cloudy with a high of 78 and a low of 53. Tuesday will be the coolest day of the week with a high of 71 and a low of 53. Wednesday will have a high of 73 and a low of 53. Thursday's high is 75 and a low of 57. Friday and Saturday will have highs of 83 and lows of 60. Finally, Sunday will close off our week with a high of 82 and a low of 58. Well, enjoy this nice weather, Cowboys. I'm Sami, now back to Priscilla.
Thanks, Sami. Being at home all day with nothing to do has allowed for many of us to do some extra snacking. It can be difficult at this time to choose a healthy snack over your favorite junk food. However, there are alternatives that are just as tasty. Here's Cadence with more on a homemade recipe as well as some healthy snacks.
Hey Cowboys, while we're all stuck at home, it's easy to grab unhealthy snacks and food. But today I'm going to share a few healthy snacks to make during quarantine. First, here's an easy banana bread recipe. To start, preheat your oven to 350 degrees. Grease your pan and set aside. Add 2 cups of flour, a teaspoon of baking soda, and a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Then stir in 2 beaten eggs and 2 1/3 cup of mashed bananas. After combining the two mixtures, add in a cup of chocolate chips. Pour it into your pan, then place it in the oven for 60 to 65 minutes. While we wait for that, a few other healthy snacks could be apples and peanut butter, a fruit salad, or avocado toast. Once you take it out, let it sit for 10 minutes and then enjoy. Well, that's all from me, Cowboys. Tag us in your healthy snack pictures. Now back to Priscilla.
Thanks, Cadence. Food is something essential in all of our lives. However, we may not all like the same things. Earlier in the year, we had varsity volleyball and soccer put their taste buds to a test in a fun challenge. Blindfolding our guests, these two teams competed to see who could guess the given food faster. Here's Isabelle with more.
Hey Cowboys, I'm Isabelle, and today I'm here with varsity volleyball and soccer to do a fun challenge. Last year we did a number of challenges with different sports teams and we are bringing it back. Today we have our players blindfolded and we'll be giving them different foods. The first player to guess the food wins a point for their team. Let's get started. The first item is mustard.
Is it mustard?
It's mustard, it's mustard.
Oh my God.
I hate mustard.
Not eating it.
I'm not eating that.
I didn't.
Get it off my hand. No.
Next is mushrooms.
That's a mushroom.
Oh yeah, mushroom. Mushroom. I'm mushroom.
My dad be making it.
It's cake.
My dad be making
like
it. I don't like mushrooms.
Now is flour.
It's flour. 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 That's flour. I took my tongue.
Where you at, bro?
Oh yeah, that's.
Lastly, it's kimchi.
Crab, it's crab. I'm done. I quit. I don't want it. I don't want it. I don't want it.
It looks worse than a snow car. Trust me.
It's spicy. I don't want it.
What the hell is this? I dropped it, but can I get another one?
I don't know.
You have mine.
No,
Hold up. That's kimchi. Is that kimchi?
Now that we know that volleyball won, it is only fair that soccer faces the punishment.
Oh.
We might have lost this time, but next time we will not lose. We want that rematch.
Thanks, guys. Lastly, on today's show, we have some coverage on some positive headlines occurring here in Santa Clarita.
Hey Cowboys, even with the current circumstances due to quarantine, Santa Clarita has been limited but still actively working as a community. Florists are coming back into business because of Mother's Day. There are many locations offering curbside delivery and online orders. The manager of some florists stated that she felt as though it was necessary to thank all mothers who are working right now during a very tragic time. A program called Feed the Fight has been helping support struggling Santa Clarita restaurants and residents. Benjamin Brown, founder of this program, decided he wanted to do something to help the community. In the first round of deliveries, Feed the Fight provided over 50 meals for Santa Clarita residents, and they hope to provide more in the future. As of early May, Santa Clarita Valley has 672 or more confirmed cases of COVID-19. Compared to the amount of cases in LA County, this number is considerably low. Henry Mayo Newhall Hospital officials have said that unless a death occurs, they will be providing their latest figures in regard to COVID-19 on a weekly basis, with the updates being released every Wednesday. On a brighter note, Kacia Animal Center has been seeing increase in adoptions. The employees at the center believe this is partially due to the coronavirus outbreak, as people seek companionship in time of isolation. Those wishing to adopt an animal from the Kacia Animal Care Center can do so by making an appointment. That's all from me this week. From CNN, this was Ryan Kim.
Cowboys, although this may be a difficult time, we want to let you know that here at Canyon, we are a family and we are always there for each other.
Sorry to interrupt you, Priscilla, but really quickly before we end our show, we can't miss someone's, well, birthday month, but also birthday. Here's a quick shout out to one senor on campus who makes everyone's day just a little bit better.
Feliz cumpleaños!
Gerardo, to all the good memories, the great job you do, and to some of our favorite times. Happy birthday, buddy.
Happy birthday, Senor. I just want to say thank you for being such a leader, such a role model in the ASB. And you know, on all of our birthdays, you're always the one cheering the loudest, clapping the hardest for us. And I just want you to know that we're doing the same for you from home. Happy birthday.
Gerardo, you know I love you and always will. Feliz cumple. Have a wonderful day. Mwah.
Happy quarantine birthday, Gerardo. I hope you have a great day and you celebrate it well. Happy birthday. We miss you.
Happy birthday, Senor. Just want to say thank you so much for always being there for us. I hope you have a great day and we miss you.
Happy birthday, Senor. I hope you have an amazing day. You know, I miss you. Thank you for everything. Thank you for making ASB the best. I'm going to miss you so much once I graduate. I love you and I hope to see you soon.
Happy birthday, Gerardo. I hope you're enjoying the time with your family and hope to see you and celebrate soon.
Happy birthday, friend. Time to get some new kicks, maybe plan a trip. Whatever it is, I hope you have an amazing day.
Happy birthday, Senor. Thank you for everything you've done for us at Canyon, for the students, for the teachers. We really appreciate you. Enjoy your day.
Also, with this week being the start of AP testing, we want to wish you all a good luck on your exams. For more information on when your exam is or ways to study, be sure to visit the AP College Board website. I'm Priscilla Fong, and that's it for this week's episode of Canyon News to You.